Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to find exhaust gas leak on your cooling system. All you need to find this tester, which is 20 bucks, around 20 bucks. You can do 50 test. All you need to open your coolant reservoir. Be careful if it's hot. Put the black thing on your reservoir, and then all you need to fill around this fluid something. And this was a bit too much. This is perfect. Run these two levers, put it in here. It must be as tight as possible. Then you need to start your engine and wait for 2-3 minutes. You can accelerate around 2000 RPM, which will be much better to find much faster exhaust gas leak. It's recommended to be around 90 degrees Celsius. So if it changes color to yellow, it means that you have exhaust gas leak in your cooling system, which means probably head gasket is done. Running. Let's check again. I don't have any issues till now. I would recommend to, whenever you buy a new car, to do this test for its head gasket, because it costs too much to repair. So I guess that's everything. I don't need to check any further, but I recommend to let it run around 2-3 minutes. If it's cold outside, 5 minutes. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask down below. That's was everything for today. Bye.